Busy again to cook my lasagna for our visitors. And my husband is here.
Oh.
He's so merry with his sausages again. Here are the ingredients for my lasagna. Here is the pork and the beef. Beef is the main. This is the what do you call this? This will give the flavor for this lasagna. The taste of the beef is good for this lasagna. So this is 215 per kilo and it weighs 2.4 kilograms, and then 513.85 the price. And here is the ground pork, ordinary only, 210 per kilo, and it weighs 812 grams, 170.52. And here we are. I am preparing. Okay, these are the ingredients. I prefer this whole peeled tomatoes of Doña Elena because it's good. Yeah, I prefer to use the whole peeled because I want it concentrated when I cook the tomato sauce. And here is my lasagna. I cannot choose anything but this, but because this is the only one brand they have in Island City Mall here. This al dente pasta eccellente lasagna cooks in 10 minutes, so it's easy, very quick. Okay, let's now start. Okay guys, good luck. Let's see what will be the result for this. Okay,
spaghetti,
let's just leave this open and we will just wait for 10 minutes for this to be cooked in order not to stick. Place a little of the olive. It's already 10 minutes, so time to harvest.
spaghetti,
This pasta gradually before it will be cooked to see if they don't stick to each other like that. Let's move them, move like that. Okay.
tomato, tomato.
Then while the garlic is extracting its aroma, we will put the onion. Then onion. The aroma has come out already, so we can now add the celery. Now next is the pork. Ground pork.
Spaghetti,
Okay, now let's add the chicken powder. While waiting for the sauce to be cooked, arrange your pasta because they will stick to each other and it's very hard to, and then put it in a flat tray for them to take an air, for them not to stick to each other. Okay, because this lasagna pasta love each other so much, that's why they stick to each other, you know. No, see, they love very much. Next is sticking to each other because the meat is already cooked. Let's put the tomato sauce, na Doña Elena tomato sauce. Sarap niyan, concentrated, because I bought the whole field. It's natural tomato sauce. And then let's add 1 tablespoon salt here. And then I love peppercorns, crushed peppercorns, 2 tablespoons. Sarap ng amoy. Ay, sarap. Oh my God. Sarap ha. Sarap. And it's done. We will just simmer this for about 3 minutes and then I will cook the bechamel sauce and we will assemble later the lasagna pasta and all of this, the sauce, the bechamel, to place it in the oven. Okay. Here you are. Okay. Here. Okay guys, now we are making the bechamel sauce. First, 1 liter of the milk. 1 liter or as needed. How much do you need for the bechamel sauce? It depends, okay? The butter, at least 1 bar of this. How much is this? It weighs 200 grams. 200 grams of butter, and then 1 tablespoon of the Knorr chicken powder, and 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. Okay. Then mix. In a half cup of water, place 3 tablespoons of cornstarch for this mixture, for this amount of bechamel sauce, to let it more creamy, for the good consistency of the cream. Okay, first olive oil to the trays, scatter it all over in order not to stick. Okay, this is to put the first layer of the sauce. Okay.
Tomato. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Tomato. Tomato. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Tomato.
Wow, di makita ng camera. Camera ay nag-move pa.
Ano nangyari na sa naluto na?
Okay, luto na.
Okay.
It's ready, already na. Let's eat. Slicing.